this is the finished look. I promise it's easy, you can do it. Like, otherwise, loving this. Just look at that. I'm super ecstatic. Love this, guys. It's everything, I promise. And hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time joining me, I would warmly want to welcome you, and do consider subscribing to become a part of this family, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we do post a video. For my day ones, I really do appreciate you for coming back and watching those videos. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on doing faux locks and just running you through steps that how I achieve this faux locks. It's really pretty easy, anybody can do it. So if you're thinking of doing something to your hair and you have no idea and you really want to save some coins, do stay tuned and watch the rest of the video up until the very end, and hopefully you take out a thing or two from this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. I'll see you on the flip side. Okay, so the braiding hair I'm using is this Arena in the color 1/144, and this is the braiding hair. I've already started, I've done one, so I'm leaving a leave out simply because I want the ends to be curly. So what you want to do is just separate a tiny bit like you would when you're doing your normal braids, and just pat that into 3 like so. And then I'm going to get my rattle comb and just let me just try to so what you're gonna do is just grab enough hair that you desire to have, this should be enough for me, and you can just kind of comb that out, and then we're gonna grab it the way you normally do grab your hair when you're braiding. And I hope you guys are able to see this. So I'm not braiding it all the way, I'm just gonna braid it up to maybe somewhere here. You could do this all over your head and then just probably start fitting in the braiding wool, the Brazilian wool, but I prefer doing it as I'm going. That's just personal preference. But if you want, you could make these all over your head and then do this next step that I'm doing. So the wool I'm using is Brazilian wool, and I just cut one ball into the length that I want, that I think will fit my braiding hair, and this is the length. So I'm going to be picking from this. Let me just show you the actual Brazilian wool, how it looks like. So it actually comes like this, yeah, it comes in a ball like this, and I just separated it like this. I made the length that I want. So after doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab one piece, and for it not to hurt a lot, I'm not really gonna grasp it from right the bottom. I'm gonna start slightly over it and place the wool like there, just slightly above where the actual braiding starts. Why? is because I don't really want it to hurt, but make sure you cover the braiding starts, and then you just want to hold it in place like so and twist and roll. So you just twist and rolling up until you reach the end. This is really easy, like anybody can do this, to be honest, unless you like patience, then yeah, you can't do it. But as you can see, it's coming along well. I think the length that I did was quite short, but nonetheless I still can add more if there is need for me to add anything more. Okay, so it's thinning down because the wig that I'm using is kind of thin at the ends, so nonetheless I'll just go ahead and add one more, and I'll start somehow the way it was ending or finishing off. Make sure you want to cover all these flyaways so there are no flyaways. But anyway, there's a technique that we're going to be doing, which is just making it to kind of tighten up more. That's about the same length as the other one. So what you want to do here is kind of separate it like so, then tie a knot or two. So you want to tie a knot or two. There's one knot, and second knot, okay, make sure it's tight, and the excess we can just cut off. So you can see there's a little bit of flyaways, but not to worry, because what we're gonna do, you get your candle, and your candle of your choice, and just kind of secure that. Okay, so this is what is left, so I'm just gonna continue the same all over my head. As you can see, it's not that painful at the bottom. Why? Because I'm not really gripping from the start. I'm just gripping from slightly above where it started and just going around with that. And yeah, I'm gonna continue with the process, and I'll be back for the step 2. Yeah, okay, so I'm done putting the roller benders, and I am short of 3. Actually, there's just 3 of them, but what I'm gonna do is, once I dip this in hot water and I'm done, then I'll come and finish off the 3. Yeah, so let's get our water now and just dip these, and yeah, I'm curious to see the results. I hope you guys are too. But so far, from the look of things, loving it, and it's not so painful because I wasn't really starting from the bottom when I was rolling this Brazilian wool. I kind of started from slightly above it, so honestly there's no pain there. Yeah, but totally loving it. I feel like a goddess already though. So you're done, but whoo child, let's see once it's done. And you can see I have my hot water. I just put some in this jar. I'm gonna add conditioner. I'm gonna add conditioner to my water just so they're soft and just also smell good. Yeah, and to make the curls last a bit longer. So I've added my conditioner and it's pretty hot. I don't know if you can see the steam on camera, but it's very hot. And I'm just stirring up the conditioner just to mix everything up. Smells divine. We don't want to burn ourselves, yeah? But I think I'll start off with this end. So I'm just gonna dip. There's 3 in there, 4, 5. I'm trying to put as many as I can. 5, 6. Should we add another? Let's see. 7. Okay. Oh. And I'm just pressing them down, making sure that everything is soft. Okay, so they've been in here for a minute. Just making sure that water is drenched. We don't want to get burnt, yeah? So I'm just making sure the water is drenched. And just place this here. Okay, so this is the bit I've done. And just suck off the water. And yeah, we can unveil, I guess. Okay, not bad. Love the curl. And on to the next one. So I actually am happy that I chose the bending rollers to the kebab sticks because I think these curls are good. Look at that. This one seems to be up colder. Okay. Look at that, guys. I'm proud of me right now. And that. Was this one drenched in water? No, this one wasn't. So I'll be back when I finish doing everything, but just look at those curls. This is giving me goddess vibes. Yeah, I'll be back when I'm done with everything. Okay, so we're done. This is the finished look. Love it. I hope you guys will be trying out this hairstyle. I promise it's easy. You can do it like As long as you know how to grasp it from the bottom, you can definitely do it. If not, I'll try and do a tutorial. If you can't braid and you want me to do another tutorial on how to grip from the bottom, if you're not a braider and you actually want to do 4 locks, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, loving this. Just look at that. This I didn't curl so well because I think the water go cold, but nonetheless I'll redo it. I just thought of just coming here and showing you guys. I'm super ecstatic. Love this. Like, just look at your girl. Like, yeah, we did this. And you can style it in a number of ways actually. If you want, you can just like push everything to the side like so. Guys, it's everything, I promise. And it doesn't even pain. The funny part about it, it's not really paining, because I told you, if you're not listening from the start. Yeah, until the next one, guys, it's been good hanging out with you. Bye. Waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's